incredulous. Look at this evidence, weeks of you screaming, I'll push to the precipice. Girl, I've been exhausted by you, I was hollowed by you, why can I not deny you? But here I go, walk into your room again. I'm knocking and no sooner than I come in and you begin blaming me, you curse me out. I feel so worthless now, don't know why I'm here, I'm crying like let's try and work this out. Babe, listen to me, I wanna try you, cannot deny you. Girl, I was exhausted by you. I'm still followed by you. Oh, I was followed by you. Why am I still followed by you? Oh, I was followed by you. Followed by you. Oh, I was followed by I know that I should leave you. Don't tell me that I'm wrong, cause I know that I'll believe you. And it's more than I can take. Last night I drove my car down to the water by the lake. Above the skyscrapers, red lights flash. I caught myself wishing I had a little light like that, so everybody's planes would know not to fly so low. So everybody's planes would know not to fly so low.